In a market increasingly saturated with scooters that attempt to blur the line between performance and practicality, the 2026 Yamaha X-Max emerges as a refined, intelligent response to the demands of modern urban riders. Positioned as a premium 300cc class maxi scooter, the X-Max has consistently delivered a solid combination of style, performance, comfort, and technology. For the 2026 model year, Yamaha has fine-tuned this already successful formula by enhancing its digital systems, suddenly evolving its design language, and reinforcing its standing as one of the most versatile urban touring scooters available today. From the first glance, the 2026 X-Max asserts its presence with an unmistakable design that is aggressive, sculpted, and confidently modern. While the core silhouette remains true to the previous generation, the new styling revisions make it look leaner and more athletic. The front end features revised LSD headlights with sharper contours and a sleeker, more aerodynamic fairing that lends the scooter a sport bike-inspired face. Yamaha's designers have also refined the side panels, improving airflow management and giving the body a more fluid, cohesive appearance. The dual LED taillights maintain their signature X-shaped layout, but now incorporate dynamic lighting for better visibility and a more futuristic visual signature. Beneath its bold styling lies a 292cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled SOHC engine that has seen slight tuning refinements for smoother delivery and enhanced mid-range torque. Still producing around 27.6 horsepower and 29 Nm of torque, the engine is paired with Yamaha's V-Belt automatic CVT transmission, which offers excellent responsiveness in stop-and-go traffic while remaining calm and efficient on open roads. Acceleration is brisk off the line, and the X-Max's linear power curve makes it easy to control, whether you're weaving through congested city streets or cruising steadily on the highway at 110 to 120 km/h. Yamaha's fuel injection system has been recalibrated for better throttle response and cleaner emissions, and the scooter now meets Euro 6+ standards, placing it among the cleanest in its class. Fuel efficiency remains excellent, averaging around 30 to 32 km/L with a 13-liter fuel tank, offering a practical range well over 350 km per fill-up. Where the 2026 X-Max truly sets itself apart is in its ride comfort and chassis balance. Built around a rigid steel frame, the scooter features 33mm front telescopic forks and twin rear shocks that have been recalibrated for greater ride compliance without sacrificing cornering stability. The 15-inch front and 14-inch rear wheels provide a perfect mix of maneuverability and stability, while wide tires offer ample grip even in wet conditions. The suspension handles most urban road imperfections with confidence, yet the setup remains firm enough to inspire trust during higher speed riding or when navigating twisty routes.